MacBook computer. Now I will show you how to remove our battery, how to insert this battery. Take one flat screwdriver. I will show back side of this MacBook. This is the battery portion. This one is the battery position. The some notch is there. Now I will remove this battery. One side is this locking symbol is there, one side is the unlocking. This is position is unlocking. This notch I will rotate, take a flat screwdriver, unlock position. This battery is open. We clear observe. This one is the battery. It is MacBook 15-inch PowerBook rechargeable battery. It is made in by Taiwan. Its operating voltage is 24 volt, 65 watt. This MacBook contains the battery contact pins also there. Now I will show you inside of this battery position. This is the this one is the contact pins is there. This one is the locking button. This button is the locking button, battery. Now I will insert also this battery. I will show you. First you take this battery. This pin is this side position, locking position. You see this kind of notch is also there. This notch is there. This laptop also same notch is there. You observe how to insert. The same notch is there. First you take this one, gently insert this one and leave it. After that you take again unlocking position to locking position, you fixed this battery as usual. Is the system is the laptop is fixable, the perfectly fixed. This